everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Easy, your friendly professional makeup artist. So in today's video, I'm going to give you a skincare update of using NYKSSKIN Reveal Kit, and there are other products as well. So do you remember last week, diba, I did a unboxing of NYKSSKIN Glow Box Set. So if you want to see more of this video, my thoughts on this and the process about using a rejuvenating set, then keep on watching. And please don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification for you to be updated on my next video. So we're going to do a skincare update as what you watched or you have seen on my last vlog. I did a unboxing of NYKSSKIN Glow Set, and kasama sa NYKSSKIN Glow Set is this NYKSSKIN Reveal Kit. So ito yung rejuvenating set nila. So update lang guys, I've tried them and so far I think I'm already at my fourth day or fifth day of using NYKSSKIN Reveal Set. So, in the morning, guys, ang ginagamit ko, of course, yung soap na nakita nyo. Ito, yung soap na to. After that soap, I'll be using the toner. And after mag-dry yung toner sa skin ko, I'm going to apply the serum. Love na love ko to. Sobrang bango nito, guys. Ang ganda pa ng effect nito. Konting drop lang. It would spread evenly sa skin nyo. And you will really see the glass skin effect then, and it helps to smoothen my skin. And I'm going to use the sun defense, and then yung sun defense, I think this is SPF 30, but kung gusto ko ng mas mataas pa na SPF, I'm going to use their product Lily's Touch, which it has SPF 50 pag lumalabas ako ng umaga. Guys, sobrang bango nito. It smells like watermelon. So, hindi naman sobrang overpowering yung smell nila. Basta, very pleasant yung mga scent ng SPF nila. And pati ito, mild lang. And sa gabi naman guys, I'll do the same. Sa gabi, I'm going to use the soap. I'm going to use the toner. I'm going to use the serum, and I'm going to use the sun defense. I'm going to use the peeling cream, sorry. So, ito yung peeling cream na gagamitin. It helps to, ito yung parang isa sa mga products that it helps to resurface. It helps to resurface a new layer ng skin natin. Actually, yun naman ang purpose ng rejuvenating set. Rejuvenating set, it helps to resurface, to give another layer na fresh skin. Tinatanggal niya yung old layer ng skin natin. Yun yung so far, okay ako. Hindi pa naman, wala namang super strange na feeling dahil nung binasa ko, ito nga yung kinagandahan sa NYKSSKIN guys because when you purchase their product, there is a detailed instructions what to expect, and you do patch test muna and then what to expect. So, ang mga tips ko sa inyo guys, if you are using a rejuvenating set, always expect na magkakaroon ng redness, slight itchy, you will also feel tightness and sting pag-hapde kapag na-apply yung toner. And you could skip the toner. You could use the toner every other day pag hindi nyo ma-bear yung sting. Or if you want, pag mag-a-apply kayo ng toner, tapat kayo sa electric fan, or you could do a cold compress after you apply the toner. It helps to remove the sting and yung redness ng skin niyo pag hindi nyo kaya, okay? Second, if you're using a rejuvenating set, do not use other products na ilalagay nyo sa skin, okay? Not unless, say for example, I'm using NYKSSKIN And sa NIKSSKIN, they have other products as well that you can use while you are using their reveal kit. Pero, pag ibang rejuvenating set ang gamit nyo, huwag kayong gagamit pa ng additional skincare because you don't know the reactions. You don't know the chemical reactions or the ingredients niya pag pinagsama mo yung rejuvenating set mo and other brand ng skincare. Okay? So, better pag yung skincare brand na binibili nyo walang other products na pang soothe or pang help sa skin mo, then find a product na that is safe na pwedeng i-combine sa rejuvenating set mo. So ako, ang kinagandahan lang kaya, that's why I love NIKSSKIN na. I love the NIKSSKIN na. It's because aside from rejuvenating set, they have other products that you could safely use. Like what I'm using, the serum type, the Gotu Cola serum, and yung Miracles Release Touch nila, and yung mga mousse yan. Mga pwedeng i-combine while you are under using the rejuvenating set nila. So, rejuvenating set is usually 1 month for 2 to 4 weeks or 1 month. So, kung gagamit ka ng rejuvenating set, guys, after mong gumamit, you rest for 1 month. Ganun talaga siya. Huwag mong susunod-sunurin. Okay? So, yun. And lastly, ulitin ko ulit, when you're using rejuvenating kit or set, please alagaan nyo ng SPF yung face nyo. Because the moment na nag-resurface na ng bagong skin, that is very sensitive at thin pa yan. Kaya pag naarawan yan, mabilis siyang mag-darken. So, kailangan alaga sa SPF. So, if you're using rejuvenating set and na-experience nyo what I've mentioned, like itchiness, super sensitive skin with stinging, redness, it's okay. It's part of the process. Parang ganito lang, parang sa buhay. Whatever challenges that we face, whatever hardships that we encounter or situations, whether you or your family, you just have to trust Jesus in your life. If you believe in Jesus, trust in His process. Sabi nga sa word niya, all things work together for good. So, akala natin, yung mga nangyaring challenges sa buhay hindi maganda, but merong mabuting nagagawa yan. It produces perseverance, faith, no? It produces patience para sa atin. So, ganun din sa rejuvenating set sa NIKSSKIN, you just have to trust the process. Dadaan talaga tayo sa mga ganitong effect sa paggamit ng skin kit reveal. But, after the process, you just trust the process. After nun, glow skin ka na after 7 days. Then, after using 2 to 4 weeks, then you'll see a more better skin results na gusto mo. So far, so good, guys. I'm loving the NIKSSKIN Reveal Kit, the Miracle Cream, almost all of their products. I'm enjoying the results and yung product nila, ang ganda ng quality. So, thank you for watching my skincare update, guys. And if you want to check out NIKSSKIN products, then I'm going to post the link down below. So, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give this video some love, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notification for you to be updated on my next video. God bless you. Stay safe, guys. Bye!